Hello, I'm Curt here at Weekley Electric. Thanks for joining Weekley Electric's YouTube page. Weekley Electric is a premier electrical contractor in Central Ohio. We also are a Generac Power Pro Elite Plus Generac dealer, and we've been a Generac dealer for over 15 years. And so today we're going to answer some common questions that we get as it relates to automatic generator systems and some of the differences. And so the basic differences that we're going to talk about today are in the air-cooled generator product line and the differences of what all somebody can control. So we're going to talk about a whole house, managed whole house, and selected circuit, and those options that are that most things fall within. So a whole house is, picture the product here. Can come in, you can get a generator in various sizes and do your whole house. It's all based upon how much electrical needs you have within that house. And so transfer switch options on whole house would be 100 amp, 150, 200 amp. And then we can do multiple switches if somebody has a larger service. And we also have service sizes for 300, 400 and up. But obviously that generator size would be larger also. So that's a whole house option. Once again, everything in the entire house would be powered up by the generator, the whole entire house, and would come on automatically within 25 seconds from the time the power failed. So now we want to talk about a managed whole house. A managed whole house would be maybe your home has some heavy electrical usage items. So what would that be? Maybe an electric furnace, maybe multiple hot water tanks. And in that case, your whole entire house would be backed up, but we would install some load shed modules or smart management modules, sometimes referred to as SMMs. Those automatically protect the generator from an overload, and they keep your system up and running even though that heavy item, hot water tanks or hot tubs, swimming pools, all electric homes where you've got an electric backup furnace, electric backup strips on your furnace, heating elements that would come on and really drain that generator and bring its RPMs down to where it may shut off. This SMM load management module would protect from that, provided it's hooked up to that particular device. And it automatically manages, so it comes on and goes off as the electrical system is pulling down and the generator is starting to struggle. It alleviates anything that's connected to this item and allows that generator to continue to function properly. So now we want to talk about the select circuit option. Select circuit is pretty much that. You select the individual items you want on the generator, and then the generator is sized according to what you select. So the transfer switch, in all intents and purposes, looks somewhat the same, but it does a similar function. However, the items that you want backed up would be put into a select circuit transfer switch, and only those items would be operational during an outage. Transfer switch functions the same way. It just is only providing backup power to those essential items. What would some of those essential items be? Sump pump, refrigerator, your furnace, gas furnace, typically TV, microwave, garage door openers, security system, those type of things. And so when you're doing a select circuit, you want to only do those items that are a necessity. And if you have enough room, for instance, if the generator is sized appropriately, and you may be able to do an air conditioner unit or some extra things like maybe a bedroom, extra bedrooms and stuff like that. So select circuit can be large enough to handle more than just the essentials, but once you start going up in size, sometimes it's more cost efficient to do whole house. So those are some of the options available in an automatic system, and we just wanted to go over those with you. Once again, this is Weekley Electric. Please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube page, and thanks for joining us.